Buckle up, because what you're about to witness isn't just a motorhome. It's the future of luxury living on wheels. Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where today we're diving into the all-new 2026 upgraded luxury motorhome Kenworth T 1000, a masterpiece that redefines what comfort, technology, and style mean for life on the road. This isn't just an RV, it's a moving 5-star penthouse with the soul of a long-haul champion. From the moment you lay eyes on the sleek aerodynamic Kenworth body, you can tell this machine was designed to turn heads. The signature chrome grille gleams under the sunlight. The custom LED light strips give it a futuristic presence, and the extended wheelbase provides not just stability, but room for a palace-like interior. Every detail screams sophistication, with a build quality that merges Kenworth's legendary durability with high-end, handcrafted luxury finishes. Step inside, and you're immediately enveloped in an atmosphere that rivals the world's finest hotel suites. The living area is dressed in premium Italian leather, seating with built-in massage and heating functions, a state-of-the-art surround sound system, and massive panoramic windows that let you enjoy breathtaking views wherever you park. The open concept layout seamlessly blends the living room with a chef's kitchen, complete with smart appliances, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, and stone countertops that would make any home chef proud. In the bedroom, you'll find a king-size bed with memory foam technology, custom cabinetry, ambient lighting, and enough storage space for long cross-country adventures. The spa-inspired bathroom boasts a rainfall shower, heated floors, and premium fixtures that make you forget you're even in a motorhome. But the Kenworth T 2000 isn't just about luxury, it's about performance. Under the hood, it packs a powerful, fuel-efficient turbo diesel engine, delivering smooth, effortless driving across highways and mountains alike. The upgraded suspension system ensures a cloud-like ride, while advanced driver assist technology keeps you safe with lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. Energy independence is another highlight, with solar panels integrated into the roof, a high-capacity battery bank, and eco-friendly systems that let you stay off-grid without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're chasing sunsets, touring national parks, or simply living life on your own terms, the 2026 Kenworth T 2000 upgraded luxury motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's freedom, prestige, and innovation on wheels. At Honest Auto Wheels, we believe this motorhome sets the gold standard for 2026 and beyond. If you've ever dreamed of taking the road in style, this is the machine that turns that dream into reality.